Well, most bodybuilders train at least 3 hours a day, 6 days a week, but I only train a total of 3 hours a week.
Okay, what do you do during those hours?
Train very hard.
Hey, I'm gonna do lab pull downs and I'm gonna superset it with assisted pull-ups on the machine over there. So let's do it. And if you're lifting along home with me, that shit made no sense. Yeah. Feeling strong. Superset. I have no idea if y'all can see me. We need more assistance on that one. If we are gonna get more reps out of it, which is my goal. I took a pee, I'm good. Oh. All right. I did. I was just spaced out. I'm actually so locked in right now. My shoulders are so sore from yesterday, bro. I'm taking 2 rest days coming up soon. Tomorrow is chest and triceps. I'll post that video too. And then after that, 2 rest days, I'm going on vacation. Come back strong as fuck. We are done. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. It's a row, but it's on the belt squat machine. So it's basically like barbell row, except when I do barbell row, I feel like I'm using momentum and I'm not really working what I want to work. This will be good. This is how I'm gonna set this up. Start on one side, pick it up like this, and then pick the other side up. You put it on your leg to readjust. Lean forward. Oh, I can do more weight. Putting it back, it's a little hard because it'll snap right down, so how do I put this down again? There we go. Ow. That went great. I think I might switch actually. I think that's good on this. So why not do one Smith machine row? It's targeting the same shit. So if you need a good gym song to get you fucking hype, get you going, lift a lot of weight, type in Ludwig, the Holy Blade. I don't know what the fucking rest of it is, but it's the song from Bloodborne. It's pretty good. If you can't tell, I'm pretty fucking exhausted from this back day. Some fucking water, bro. 2 plates. I am back day. I want to make sure it's recording actually. Holy shit. I might lower it by 1. It's like pretty much lower left, but it's still a little bit upper. I wish my arms weren't so long. Fuck, bro, fuck it. I need way more weight. Way more weight. Come on now. What am I doing? Shortening myself. Let's build some fucking muscle. Just switch to left. Right arm can recover. I gotta add this song to my playlist. Fuck yeah. Alright. Swagging in my eyes and shit. Oh, very fatigued now. Fuck. Back is definitely my strongest part of my body. I mean, this is 2.5 plates for like a good amount of reps. I'm very fatigued. I know I did enough for my back, so time for biceps. Yay! I actually love training biceps. I'm a little tired. Quick warm up. This does not feel good on my shoulders. This will target the outer bicep / brachialis. I like to start here and work my way down. get the sleeves going. Can't take these to an airport. Nope. Sleeves roll down. I'll take it from the sign of God. I can't stop fucking myself with the amount of reps, dude. I'm stronger than that. Come on. Okay. Okay. Someone say drops it. Okay. Drops it. I'm an animal. I have no words for that. I have a rule. My rule is, if I'm gonna be the asshole filming in the gym, I better be the one training the hardest. Train hard regardless, but if you're gonna bring a camera to the gym, you better fucking train. First time ever doing these, by the way. Let me try. Move the seat up one. Let's try that. Okay, well, I'm fatigued, but I think that's better. Should be, right? I don't know, man. I can't feel my arms anymore. Just watch back that footage to see if I'm doing it right. My face looked like, you know, those videos of the people experiencing G-force for the first time? That's what my face looked like when I was in that set. And I love it. If your face doesn't look like you're experiencing G-force when you're working out, are you really working out? I bitch. It's fine. Dude, I can't. Dude, fuck. That sounded like a straight moan. It's just 20 pounds. It's just 20 pounds. Thank you for watching the video. Get a good goddamn workout in.